Majida namaGrootman uJune July ulapha sekangaka transfer window ka-2025-2026 season. Orlando Pirates ayizo pretenda uba yenye club ingeyiyo, izaba Orlando Pirates siyaziyo. Pirates izakwenza izinto edume ngazo noba ine squad esigrand nangoku ne youngsters eziqhabukayo. Pirates osayina italent available etholakalayo ngoku le season iBetway Premiership. Pirates yenza lo way and kusena noba akho coach engakafiki, Pirates uzosana italent etholakalayo ngoku kwiBetway Premiership. iPirates leyo siyayazi ishaya lo way. Transfer window yange winter ngoJune July last season before isizini iqale, iPirates benze 5 signings. Iyasayina uGilberto from Angola, iwinger. Yasayina uRasebocha from SuperSport United, central midfielder. Yasayina central midfielder from SuperSport uTalente Mbatha. What a player! Player ayiva la player neyifila la player bafika uTalente Mbatha. Yasayina uDino van Rooyen from Stellenbosch, right back. Yasayina uThuso Molelik from Orbit College NFT, attacking midfielder. Out of those 5 players, yi-2 qha eyapasa. And izinto zakhona injalo i-transfer business, i-transfer market, not yonke player izo succeed. In fact, tinizokubona istat esithi suka Orkande Europe sithi ba out of 5 transfer windows, 5 transfer deals, iba yi-2 to 3, iba yi-2 out of 5 succeedayo. That is the average success i-transfer deals emhlabeni ki-world football. Out of 5 iba yi-2 succeedayo. So iPirates kwenzeke lo way, out of 5 players abantu abapasileyo abanguMbatha noVan Rooyen, ezinye out khange zipase. Le video vandag ngizothetha ngeplayers eziyi-5 Orlando Pirates kuthiwa iyahlanganisa i-deal for zona for le transfer window izayo. So 5 players onke amajita are-based apha iBetway Premiership alapha eSA. Abanye babo sinivile ngazo, ezinye names apha sinoba anikaziba zingcolwa ngazo apha kule videos. 5 players, attacking midfielder, central midfielder ezi-2, i-left back plus ne-winger. So grand i-media reports kudala zibhisarha apha phandle online, zithetha nge-players ezifuna Orlando Pirates, players ezo Orlando Pirates zibhaya ziklomp umfethu, like is players nizibonileyo phaa kudala ndifollowisha ezilawesi ezi-reports ezi-updates yinkwangwa ye-players. But when qomokhe mandiyenze apha le channel ndakhomitha kuloo nto ngosiba okay zawufocus kwezona sources zi-reliable ndizithembileyo. Inintsi i-fuck up yenzekayo apha phandle, so uyasilapha kulo YouTube amajita akuseyenziwe eziphuma ecaleni, enziwe ezifani, reporter izinto, enze ii-videos, enze nee-images abazi players kusezimbi ezi-fucked up, ezinxibe izikipa zithi kuseyobani basayinile, like fake nole fake news ezenzekayo apha. So naqomba okay mna kufuneka ndilinde grand until i-source e-reliable endiyithembileyo ireporte i-transfer, and then ke ngoku okay yajona ngathetha ngayo apha kule channel. Numero 1 attacking midfielder Sinoxolo Kwayiba, Chippa United na 25 umjita, scored 14 goals and 2 assists kule season. Azo striker xomjongile umjita ngasi striker unique lo mjita, attacking midfielder which is ekudlala as a number 10 phakathi kwe-striker phakathi bathi kusomngxunyweni pha una position eksesithandayo most yethu ebholeni, like attacking midfield yona position exciting and ine players soloko zipopular worldwide. Soloko sithanda players dlala pha kula number 10 position emva kwe-striker because kuseye amajita inoni a-creator i-goals and a-technical ane-skills like yona complete players, izona players talented sanodlala pha kula position. Sundowns nguZwane, Pirates nguMasangwani, Kaizer Chiefs ayikabi nayo number 10, that's why Kaizer Chiefs istrugglisha because kuse bithembi phofu isikhathi esininzi lesizini nona player edlale number 10 position Kaizer Chiefs the most ibingumuntu Duze Shabalala, mara kuse umchana uyastrugglisha, unayo potential ability, mara kuse i-pressure Kaizer Chiefs ne-failure ne-expectations awukwazi kuse uzibeka ki-light ena 21 ena 20. Umdu betry too hard umjita nile sengokuphela so you nokwenza mistakes ne-games ekusejonga funeka wine igame ubone la weba awukwazi ukwenza mistake ngunini like Chiefs bengazipani grand. So zireasons ezi bafike kuse umntu ilapho kule position akuyo ngoku enakanga succeed. But andithethi apho xa nje bengicifana nje mandithatha opportunity bakuse manithethe because kuse indaba yalalight iwenzekayo kumtshana like bone yanigwaza man. Lilishwa lewenze kumntu kanjani and kuse I hope umtshana uzophinde alanduze kuse aphakame next season okanye ngenye season usemncane. But ke yasikho lapho sibuyela lapho bengithetha ngo number 10. So le out ifuna iPirates kuse ukwayiba no lawe no Ribeiro futhi bafethu libele kusenayo kuse nguzwane be-injury bedlala lapha kule position number 10. So le out ifuna iPirates ukwayiba i-different i-unique umtshiti indlela adlala ngayo i-style sakhe ne-ability yakhe ne-touch yakhe yonke lo way for umuntu odlala as a number 10. This one mshito umjuni ngathi striker and not bonke ama number 10 bangalihlobo bendidescribe ngalo bafana iziplayers ngiqobo describe ngokuba umuntu okuse ball player technical akushaya nge10 une touch creative not bonke kusezikhona on number 10 aba direct ndithanga no ndithanga kuse umuntu xa ibamba ibhola umjita umuva ngepace and uyapha ipalini uqonda ipalini umjita wale umuntu ukhabela izipalini aka creative kakhulu ukhabela izipalini umjita. Izi players bakhona number 10 abanjalo sida xa ibhola sifuna ukukhaba okanye se umjita if istriker sakhe sibamba ibhola yena seyibaleka ngene boxini sithi sapa ufuna ufinish number 10 akusaba direct ke yabo and sometimes ba grand babalekile ba effective especially if une team any players ekusays thanda uba sebholeni ibona zithanda uba creative ezithanda udlala pha bona mhlawumbe ngapha ngumofukeng and then ngapha kwenye side mhlawumbe ibe enye player Pirates ayinayo kuse iwinga yesibini ethanda uba creative unkotha i-goal scorer aka iwinga i-direct plus nosalenge be i-goal scorer umjita which is kuse iwe grand ka Ribeiro leyo. Andikwazi ukucinga enye example ngoku manje kuse teams yakwazi ba kuse Jones bene umuntu ofana nomofukeng kwenye side like i-ball players ki-wings and then seno number 8 wabe ball player xa une situation njalo yo nizawupasa okokoko nifuna upasa ibhola until nifuna upasa ibhola into the net ke nibona lo wethina kwenzeka eSouth Africa bafethu xa ikusejonga wonke umso lokupasa ufuna u10 ufuna upasa ufuna u10 ufuna ubitha abantu ufuna ba creative okokoko and then kusenakwazi score goals ni dominating score goals unumber 10 aba direct bafuneka phana ke bafana no Lighting kwayiba. So umjita ngafitha njalo Orlando Pirates ke ngoba because kusomjita u direct unumber 10 sesukuba nayo Pirates o direct sesukuba nayo u10 o direct Pirates ndikhumbula out kuthiwa nguDav ngibanga nguDav Wome esoku Super Sport waye direct umjita and I think Erasmus sesukudlala 10 Erasmus udlala naze 10 nayo umjita u direct ngo10 aba direct abo Pirates sesukuba nayo nqazo bacinga ngoku but kwayiba yafuna iPirates bafethu and seangiwela 10 uzodlala njengomasangwanye njengodlamini sometimes kanye ngoKimvuidi o10 bePirates udlala different umjita. Cela nje isupport encane bafethu kuse 80% yena babukela le channel every week aba subscribe hanga bafethu. Cela nje ekseni shaya subscribe apha ezantsi ifiqa udibana ne channel okanye seqhela ubukela apha mara ko subscribe uzokwazi ukuthola videos okanye nje isupport encane ushaye ulike apha ezantsi. Xa ushaye ulike uYouTube kuse uzobonisa le video amanye amajita. Cela nje isupport encane bafethu kuse 80% yena babukela le channel every week aba subscribe hanga bafethu. Uye lo inditsalele ngola out but kuse bekhona isizathu bafethu for bakuse dingene in detail le out bakhe jonga sikhiphani and because umjita u different otherwise andithanda utsala kakhulu. Uye player a target efuna Orlando Pirates both ayo target nje Pirates thwa say qale inkulumo bazohlanganisa le out central midfielder na 23 ke Marumo Gallants uthiwa nguMasindi namtenja lo fani leyo imkhomba apho sowakhona umjita ePolokwane eLimpopo unamtenja umjita uMasindi namtenja 23 central midfielder umjita ayo creative midfielder more than ba ubusy ngospana qha work ethic. Bone umjita uyaphangela engceni and kuse ubalekile players nje yana. Umjita ndimona as I long term replacement kaMakhawula, amaKhehleni Makhawula unangapi ngo37 or 36. So le out izoba isuccessor yakhe xa siniyibonile mina lewe uNamdeja udlala ke Marumo Gallants. At the same time noLawe Park se uMiguel Team naye kwezi video bezigqithile kwezi veki zipheleyo ngene izivino lathi kuse uMiguel Team uzo umqaqola noParis ngoba siyambona sekangadlala this season. Mikho injury oko umjita unless mhlambe senye coach ngafike ithi ajo ifuna umgcina uteam, but uteam usegrand usentswembu uteam qha simoko ifootball iyatshintsha ngoku. Ifootball itshintsha all the time bafethu. I-central midfielder ngoku awusakwazi ba i-midfielder nje ba okay jonga ucontroller i-disc ibone yambona uteam unjani bafethu. Ayikho all action midfielder umjita more than ba kuse ibhola yakhe ilapha and kuse uya communicate ne players zakhe and kuse uya controller umjita like control tempo and kuse not midfielders njeyana soloko ziba effective kuzo zonke games okanye kuse kuzo zonke team kuzo zonke systems. At the same time ufanele ujonge futhi ne players ezikhoyo apha ki team. So uMakhawula iphele iwin la position ngoba kusentoni all action umjita una more energy ne movement and kuse uyakwazi kuseno pusha forward but kangakwazi enough. Yona weakness game yakhe otherwise uNtswembu uMakhawula qha yona weakness game yakhe kuse fit modern midfield awukwazi kusejonga uba i-controller qha uba i-enforcer uba i-ball winner sefuneka kube all action ba kusejonga uya controller at the same time ise xa kusuye front uya attacker mthwele wethu box to box. So le out izoba i-success kaMakhawula. uNtswembu ayibhoza leya but akazuba khona forever ulawo eMakhawula. Talent mbatha yena more advanced more forward umjita mara leya uNtswembu yakwazi ukuthena control no defender leya all action like it's almost like the perfect midfielder umjita. Uyakwazi uspana xa kufuneke kuspaniwe kusingena bhola at the same time xa sinebhola uyalanuza kuse uba creative umjita e-front. Ncanyo la player bafethu Ntswembu talent mbatha. Number 3 i-player ona Paris ihlanganisa ideal nayo zama uhlanganisa but se competition i-tight. I-player dlala i-left back kiJomo ndithi Jomo Cosmos udlala ki Sekhukhune United umjita mara suka ki Jomo Cosmos udlala ki Sekhukhune United umjita. Le player i-left back in big talent lebafethu. Yona this like zikhona i-talents ezibakhona fethu kuseke isizini ethile but lena out like yenye kuse talent kusezi bezivutha kakhulu apha kule season. I-left back na 21 umjita thina special ula uvuyo letlapa Sekhukhune United umjita une attributes ezi-unique. Le umjita yabo njengebene power like physical power plus eksene muscle plus eksebena ne high tech grand umjita une speed jo and then eksephinda beyayo ne technical ability ba okay kuse touch yakhe grand clean. Uyakwazi uthena comfortably uyakwazi ureceive ibhola phinde bena se speed bone so zonke zo power like ibone players nje yani noba udlala kwe position noba kuse uyi central midfielder noba kuse central defender noba right back that is the ultimate footballer le kuse i-perfect. But guys khona ezinye ba okay mhlawumbe jonga inhliziyo yakho plus nengqondo yakho ke ungaba weak kuzo bone but kuse the ultimate almost like the ultimate footballer i-player bafethu i-player ikuse ne physical power in speed in touch nonenye touch speed physical power ugrand. So umjita yenye yezo players njalo. I-left back and exception 21 uJomo Sono usekhona uJomo udlala kilawe ki third division ngokuJomo nguye owascout aletsotsi uthi kuse umjita wahamba wayemjonga eBushbuck Bridge eMpumalanga uthoma wayimbukela pha uyafika wayijonga phela out uJomo wafika i-left winger futhi uJomo wathi hayi mayo left winger le left back le nene sewamsayina umjita wadlala kila uJomo Cosmos ki third division for season A1 nene sewasana uJomo ngofarisha Kaizer Chiefs bafethu uJomo fuJomo ngofarisha Kaizer Chiefs umjita and then akathathwa Sekhukhune United wadlala pha umjita then season A1 qha Sekhukhune United ngole out Orlando Pirates twase ilapha kuyo but competition ithathe out kuthiwa ifunwa eFrance, ifunwa ngamaFranco, ilanduza iNice idlala kulawe ku Ligue 1 futhi Premier Division eFrance. Kuthiwa if bone seyihambele letsotsi ifuna umjida uvuyo lehlapa left back. So Paris sino mavai grand, but Paris ayazi bafiti uyakwazi kusehlanganisa izinto fast. Mani kanene weCity khona le player binilahisa kanjani because story, but kusay story sakhe umjida sikho unique ziweza khona ze Paris indlela ethola ngale players. uSteve Lugolia futhi yena sewathathwa eGymini ejima ngeSwallows, ejima neSwallows efonini kuthiwa ukhutshwe eGymini ejima bayisejonga makaphuma eGymini anxibe and Thomas okhulezwe ze Swallows nansi tracksuit eParis jo akasani lo muntu kusenansi nebag naziweza kumasambi ukholiswa bayisijonga vayo. Obani uJustin Shonga kuthiwa yena sewayisuka ePort isiyake Sundowns sewathathwa eOR Tambo bayisejonga ya awuziya ngapha usephuma ngapha wena. uMakola weseKaizer Chiefs, unjida uthi kwathiwa mali kuseyavele Paris enza la uthoku hijack ideals bafethu and akho windaka kangako leyo i-football competition bafethu, football battle. Le team yase France ibasope Paris, Paris ingathatha phansi out ithathe phansi by airport futhi ingakafike nakulo France. So yeah letlapa from Sekhukhune to Orlando Pirates kuthiwa inkulumo sezisenzeka. Number 4 big story yayizolo futhi iyaphuma izolo story. So thusile story bone i-public sisascrack singabahlali bebhola hey to Paris sehlanganisa i-deal almost segqikiwe le deal sekuthuna nje ngoku-final touches. Midfielder Stellenbosch Sihle Nduli na 29, central midfielder former player TS Galaxy umjita wathi Stellenbosch then ngoku Buccaneers ngoku na 29. Surprise kusele deal na cause umjita indlela adlala ngayo like ngikho sure animbone efita kuLorlando Pirates indlela edlala ngayo Paris. Player into imje style sakhe andisiboni grand ba okay like le movie kuse yandlaqazisa mina man. Umjita udlala similar to ila type ifana nona wena uMiguel Team. Umjita akho mobile kakhulu umjita mara Mr Technique organize midfielder icontroller umjita even ne physicality akho kwangako umjita mara ibhola yakhe ilapha plus ne composure. Embona uteam unjani bafethu ziplayers ezinjeyana uNduli and then ke ngoku if uteam kangakwazi bengasakwazi udlala Orlando Pirates iPirates system yayo bidemanda umuntu mobile more aggressive and ubalekayo man. Uteam waphele iphuma kule system uNduli yapi ke ngoku so andiyiboni kangelewe kaNduli bafethu ebeno sibhana ke phakathi Kaizer Chiefs ke cause like iChiefs uNabi udlala ngemidfielder enjeyana uNabi istyles kaNabi sifuna imidfielder enjeyana which is uphele ifumana futhi uThabo Cele fembona umjita ilawe composure ne controller plus arrogant ebholini technical bone uNduli befuna neKaizer Chiefs futhi for iways njalo cause but yacela Kaizer Chiefs ngo Paris Nduli Maria sector yayo bafethu surprise for him now mari sizawubona. And then number 5 list last but not least in English last but not least number 5 siyazithola ngayo le deal kuthiwa ihlangene idala futhi kwangoJanuary cha kaba khona iglitches nje kancane. Ozona Police winger 23 years old Polokwane City plus Bafana International. Mtswempu umtshana cha uphele iform yakhe iphele idropa kule season because psychological iphele izimspana izwe obviously Bafana International kusefuna Chiefs nePirates beziridi zakufuna ngapha ngapha yonke lewe iyajumpa like media wonke uyazi lo like iwenzeka mbhobho le bayise Erasmus Pirates Chiefs and then ayenzeka ba affected umtshana ke iform yakhe ya drop. I think kwenzeke iwe1 kuvele by futhi Cape Town Spurs nayo mjita oku up and down because kusaya amajita ngabantu ubone Ozwin Pirates twice seyihlanganisa grand ilawo imove for yena ingathi izayiwina irace over Kaizer Chiefs. Ayeki Orlando Pirates player grand like ayikho we engako ngiphinde ndithethe ozona Police backfield. Siyamazi oPolice qala umbukela bafana ba okay bone iwinga direct futhi ugrand umtshana phofu le ya le ingu unique kancane le Police nemncane umtshana ngoba senoni umtshana iwinga edlalayo like akekho like bonise mjida too direct ba okay jonga akafuna upasa bhola like soloku ufuna ubambe xa bamba ibhola like sejonga uyecinga yoqala ku score njengo Saleng nonkotha nakho wrong ngalawe abekho wrong amathi bonise i nature yabo like bonise lawe iwe ngaphakathi leyana ungakhutshwa uncane but say instinct chiwo lawe like indalo umuntu kuse lapha inqoneni lapha ngaphakathi yabo cha nje ifuna ukwazi uyicontrol sometimes uzodika la bonise ucaphukise but kuse la instinct yakhe same izophinda kusencede lawe kuseyize ne goals. Erasmus I mean le out uPolice umtshana umchitayini says matches back say na finish ekwazi uscore na technique say ulawe striker ibhola ekwazi ukhela ibhola ekwazi ushoota ileyana kuse ya creator umtshana ya pasa ayikho greedy akananhliziyo ende ya crosser like unazo zoyithuza elements mtshana ucreative plus kuse yakwazi ufinish so inyewe unique ngaPolice lowe untswempo umtshana. So yeah, good luck to him. Whether say uphele siya nyanyani kuLorlando Pirates, which is I think ngoku like yeah lewe isources zami ndithembileyo boni mzitsho enami sendithi bajonga umjida say uyagipa khaniha mayikabi Kaizer Chiefs unless ba Kaizer Chiefs nayo ngokuzoqala uhijack deals ngokufana nePirates ngoba I think nenzele we ngokulate Erasmus nazo bafethu 5 players ingalibali kuse ushaya nje support encane bafinisha like apha ezantsi ichannel okanye ifaqala dumana channel ushaya subscribe ungalahla ngaphoso iwezi grand mocha bafethu.